Hey guys, so today I want to walk you through how to use Food4Media and what is Food4Media and why you should be using it. So I'm actually going to work backwards here. Now, Food4Media is a PR platform specifically around the food and beverage space, taken by its name. Now, this really should be a part of your overall business strategy, specifically within your digital marketing space, because to be recognized, you need to get your name out there. You need to be seen as an expert in your space as an individual and business. And part of that means public relations. That means connecting with journalists, giving your input, getting your name and your business out there. Because there's more than just Google My Business and directories. This is a really good way to be featured, have your name published in different spaces, your business, have links to your site, all these good things that take a lot of time and effort. This is a specialty platform meant for those in the food and beverage space. So when you sign up, you'll get assigned an account manager that will help you walk through this, but it's pretty easy to use. It's a lot like a PR style Facebook. Functions very similar. And the biggest thing outside of that is it's all food and beverage. You can connect with people, follow them, message them, comment on their releases. You can post releases and photos and answer journal requests, all these things. So when you start, you're going to want to add your business. We have Pearl Lemon as a company, Pearl Lemon Cafe, Pearl Lemon Catering, and How Matcha. We have these three nested under Pearl Lemon because this is the parent company. So you will likely have less. You want to be sure each profile is fully optimized, top tags that'll get used. They have a very short bio, a logo, the team. These are one of our content writers and a general marketing profile, and then we have me and Dee. You have your cover photo, your profile photo, gallery photos, all these things, and you can add your events too. Let's say you're hosting an event, you'd add it in your event calendar, all that great stuff. From here, you kind of want to start with feed. Feed's the best place to start. Now, if you want the best chances of being published, you have to have something thoughtful people will want to read and listen to and be connected with the person. You can't just go out sending pitches and opinions off willy-nilly. You do have to have a strategy behind it. That means ideally you follow and connect with the people as well. So don't spam it. Maybe 5 to 10 a day. Don't go overboard. You follow, and then let's say I want to do this one. Favorite, like, and then I'd post a comment along the lines of, "Hey Maria, I would love to send you my opinion as a female chef. I'm gonna send you a DM." Then a couple emojis with it. And then I go message her and it pops up. Should just pop up like this. And then I'd enter my message. Always start with an introduction of yourself. Hey, my name is. I'd do, hey, my name is Lydia. I'm the procurement director for Pearl Lemon Catering and How Matcha. We are based in London, specifically near Marylebone. My experience within the industry includes, well, being a procurement director for these companies for the last few years, along with being a certified beer server through the Cicerone program, in brackets, much like a sommelier, if you don't know what that is. I have managed bars, been a barista, worked in kitchens, and other catering companies for the last almost 10 years. And then I get put in my input to her exact question. So this one I wouldn't be an exact fit, but I mean, you get the jive with it. You can also nominate someone. So if you're handling the PR but you're not the chef, nominate your chef. Do that. Again, you just go through, you like some things. Again, like, favorite, follow, and you'll move it through kind of an assembly line. Once you've caught up with what you want to, then you go back. You can do your replies, so on and so forth. And that's how you use the feed. You can also filter it specifically with journalist alerts. It should work. That didn't change anything though. Press release, journalist. Maybe if I click button, there we go. Journalist alert is the fastest way to see things you can pitch. Catering for dogs and outlets. Expert insights. Air fryer and espresso machines. Valentine's Day themes. Right? And then you just go through it. We'll get rid of that filter. And you can use the map. You can see who's where doing what, especially if you want to connect with someone that's traveling in your area. You could invite someone to your location if you see they're close. Again, that's a good way to just, like physically and literally shake hands with people and meet them, and maybe they'll do a review. Do a, hey, if you stop in, we'll give you 50% off if you do a published piece on us because I see you're in the area, something like that. Network functions just like your Facebook friend notification. Recommendations, who you're following. I tend to follow anybody, a profile picture. We'll still follow this one to continue connecting. Food4Media is really good about only allowing active people on there. If you go too long without having a profile picture, without sharing an update, messaging people, something, even as simple as just logging in, they will disable your account. They take a lot of pride in having the best people, the best journalists on their platform. So part of that means having people that actually participate. So if you're going to do this, be sure you actually do it. Updates, again, function just as updates. These are usually things that you have liked or commented on, and there's been a change or they've published something. There's influencer groups, calendars for events. You can also look at jobs and job openings. You can list those here. And that's about it. It's really easy to use. It's really great and something I'd highly recommend you dip your toe in. Even if you just go in twice a week, even if you only get one opinion published a month, get your name out there. Work this as a part of your marketing and digital strategy. And if you have the time, definitely do it more. Or you can bring on a full PR team or individual to run this for you. But it's for sure something you want to do within the food and beverage space if you want your name to be known, especially you as an individual being an expert in the food and beverage space.